This is my bike check. First I got a Fly Montana frame. The first one, not the second, because this one doesn't have any brake mounts, anything, no gyro things or anything. Got a triple wall Alex front rim, Haro forks, HD headset, stolen mid bars, Odyssey ODI long neck grips, stolen convict stem, nitrous shifter cranks, Shadow Scream sprocket, Hoffman pedals, Shadow Corvus bottom bracket, Colination seat with a FBM seat post and a Miraco seat clamp, and I got a Hoffman generator back rim, and that's my bike check.